Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Awol Vision Aetherion Max and Pro 4K projectors, two premium-looking 4K projectors that have been getting a lot of attention from home cinema fans. Right away, they feel well-built and modern, with a sleek design that looks great in almost any living room or media setup. In real-world use, setup is refreshingly simple. You place the projector, connect your device, adjust focus and keystone, and you're basically ready to go. They also run fairly quietly, which is a big win when you're watching movies or playing games without distractions. Where these projectors really shine is image quality. In the right lighting, both deliver sharp, colorful 4K visuals that feel genuinely cinematic. Movies and streaming shows look vibrant, and motion handling is smooth enough for action scenes and fast-paced gaming. That said, bright rooms can still be a challenge. If sunlight is pouring in, contrast drops and the picture can lose some depth, making it feel closer to high-end 1080p in tougher conditions. Smart features are another plus, with built-in apps, casting, and responsive menus, though some users notice small delays when switching platforms. Overall, the Aetherion Max and Pro offer a strong mix of style, performance, and convenience for anyone wanting a big-screen home theater upgrade.